childish thing, and I could swear love is just a game that children play, and no more than a game. Till I met you, believe in every word that you say. I love you all the way. Now I could swear love is not a game that children play. So tell me that you stay till I met you. Can't you see? Can't you see? Till I met you, I never knew what love was. Till I met you, this feeling seems to grow more every day. I love you more each day. Each He knows it's you I pray for. He knows it's you I pray with. He knows you are my armor, my protector, my relief. He knows you are the music when silence brings me down. He knows you are the perfect fit for the soul behind this gown. And as I walked down the aisle, I couldn't help but smile and cry, 'cause he knows just what I needed in this life. All we know is he knows, and we follow him. His direction. Even though life is short, we'll share forever in salvation. Through this life and beyond, we will let His will be done. 'Cause He knows that I am yours and you are mine. He knows you are my power when I'm feeling weak and sick. He knows you are my harbor that is just within arm's reach. He knows us even better than we ever know ourselves. He knows that we have differences, but He pulls us back in place. When the roads we take get rough, He knows that we can steer them back, and He's ever there to help us clear the path. All we know is He knows, and we follow His direction. Even though life is short, we'll share forever in salvation. Through this life and beyond, we will let His will be done. 'Cause He knows that I am yours and you are mine. We have made some mistakes, but He's there to tidy up on us. We are blessed by His embrace. We'll serve together through His grace. And I know, and you know, that He knows and He shows that with faith and love we'd stand the blast. 'Cause He knows that only you can see me through. And because of this, I give you mine. I do.
Thank you, Lord.
Pag tumingin ka na, kislap ng iyong mata, dala mo ay saya. Nawawala ang pangamba pagkat kapiling na kita. Di na mapipigilan ng pusong tinadhana. Pag nahihirapan ka, ay laging sasamahan ka. Kailanman masahang sa'yo lang ang aking naramdaman. Mahal, di dapat mangamba kung minsan ay napapagod ka na. Nandito lang ako, iyong pahinga. Ikaw ang simula, magpahanggang wakas, di na matapos pa. At sa tuwing ika'y wala, di makikita ang saya. Sinanay mo ang puso kong laging nandito ka. Pag